Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. Today, we're diving into a super common problem that plagues virtual meetings: echo on Google Meet. If you've ever been in a call where your voice bounces back annoyingly, you're not alone. This issue can stem from audio feedback, poor microphone setup, or even room acoustics. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to fix it quickly and get back to seamless conversations. Let's jump right in. First things first, the simplest fix is to use headphones or earbuds. Echo often happens when your microphone picks up sound from your speakers, creating a loop. Plugging in headphones isolates your audio input and output, eliminating that feedback. If you don't have headphones, make sure your device's speakers are turned down low or muted during the call. Next, dive into Google Meet's settings. Once you're in a meeting, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, then select Settings. Under the Audio tab, check your microphone and speaker selections. Google Meet has built-in echo cancellation. Make sure it's enabled. If it's not helping, try switching to a different microphone or input device if you have one available. Another key step is to update your audio drivers. Outdated drivers on your computer can cause all sorts of audio glitches. Head to your device's settings or manufacturer website to download the latest updates. For Windows users, go to Device Manager and look under Sound, Video and Game Controllers to update or troubleshoot. Don't overlook your environment. Echo can be amplified in rooms with hard surfaces like bare walls or tables. Add some soft materials, like a rug or curtains, to absorb sound. Also, position your microphone away from speakers and ensure no one else in the room is causing background noise. Finally, always test your setup before joining an important call. Google Meet has a handy test feature. Use it to check audio quality in advance. There you have it, folks. With these steps, you should be able to banish echo from your Google Meet sessions in 2025 and beyond. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.